Hi, I'm Stephen Walter, Vice President of Environmental Health and Safety. Let me ask you a question. Is there anything more important during our work than your safety and the safety of your fellow co-workers? I'm going to save you the time in thinking about that. The answer is no. In my journey to really understand and value safety, I was a craftsman. I worked in an oil field. I ran about 100 oil wells. And there was a unique challenge in how we protected each other out there, and this reality that it took all of us together to build the right environment to be safe. Well, welcome to McKinstry, where safety is non-negotiable. All those lessons I've learned is really part of everything we do and reflects our people first value, making sure that every person goes home unharmed. So the reality is that starts with each one of us and our collective responsibilities to own it. The choices we make every day can make all the difference in how we prevent harm to each other, our job sites, our equipment, and our environment. And the reality is you are the center of that. So following protocols and being mindful of potential risks and hazards, how you support and show up for each other every day is critical in how we make our workplace safe and secure. And that's where our Safety Excellence Recognition Program comes in. We really built in what we call the 4 pillars of safety. And those 4 pillars are a foundation to help us make our values come to life, like active caring. How are you showing up and being courageous for each other? Or wait a second, stop, pause when things don't necessarily go right or don't feel right. Or safe work innovations. How do you improve? Don't be satisfied every day when you show up that things are going okay. Always look for ways to improve. We can get better every single day, but again, it depends on all of us. Finally, just as important as everything we do is asking for help. You simply can't get a job done and everything goes according to plan all the time. You need to rely on the people around you, and it is critical. Do it before something unsafe happens. Let's go home safe every day. And remember, no harm starts with you. Own it. Thank you for all you do, and together, let's keep each other and all of our people safe.